In terms of the NDC standstill in healthcare, can you name some facilities you think, or some outlets that make you think you stand tall?
Every regional hospital that we have in Ghana, in the previously 10 regions, was built by the NDC administration, under Jerry Rawlings and under Professor Mills and John Dramani Mahama. Not a single one goes to the credit of MPP. Then, moving further down.
We are putting up 111. That can counter all of those.
The 111 that you have no special funding, that has not been, not even a single one has been completed per their own timelines that they set. I'm seeing many of these health infrastructure that they've commenced being completed, or the heavy work will be done by the NDC. They have just named it. They have just talked about it. I believe strongly that it is the NDC that will come and find a way of completing many of these health facilities, because we always believe in doing such things. Today, health professionals are leaving the country. They are leaving not only because of poor pay. Many are also leaving because they are not getting any opportunity. Those times when you finish medical school as a medical doctor, there was no way you will be at home without job. Today, doctors are staying home long after they finish their work and waiting to be called and not being called. As for nurses, the least said about them, the better. If this government had continued the investment in health, in other words, building more hospital facilities and getting them to completion level, they will have to be populated with health professionals. So you will need nurses. You will need those who will be in the X-ray department. You will need doctors. You will need all kinds of health service professionals. But the government decided to abandon ongoing projects. And so what has happened is that nurses leave and they can't get place to put them in. And many of them have to leave. So you've spent money, trained them, they leave, go and work for other countries that have not trained them. So that's the situation we find ourselves in.